Hey there, this is the new 130 in 1 precision screwdriver set. This comes with lots of bits for multi-purpose use to use for smaller tools like a clock or watch or even phone, laptops, and even to remove the SIM card there is a tool provided in this. This has great features and at this price I believe okay this is a great purchase, and it also has like a lot of features like it's a premium steel magnetic bits and all the wide options of the bits that can be used on regular basis. Let's check out. So here are the items that came in the package. So there is an instruction manual on how to use your toolkit. So it comes with a handle. It is very easy to easy for the grip, and it also feels ergonomic, and it came with lots of different types of bits. As you can see, there is a small bit to almost like different sizes of bits that you can use variety of applications, and there are a couple more tools. Looks like this is a tweezer. Yeah, this is a very useful thing, especially if you want to grab something very tiny objects, and this is very helpful. So let's check out by seeing okay how it works with a bit. So let's take this, and this is a same as like a Phillips screwdriver bit, but it's a very tiny one. And yeah, so this has a magnetic feature. As soon as you keep it inside, this is holding the bit. So this is pretty helpful, and let's check out by opening one of the screws. This also has a magnet, so it can hold the screw, and so that way you are not losing the screw. Yeah, overall I think this is a great tool set, especially that comes with a box, so you are not losing your bits, and you can also, there is a small storage box with the SIM opener, like especially for iPhone or Android phones, where you can use this. And there are some other precision bits as well. These are like very tiny and useful for especially for watch and laptops and the slim notebooks. At this price, this is a great steal. I really love this, and this will be helpful for my daily usage. Thank you very much.